the UK and EU have just struck a deal aimed at healing post-Brexit tensions. In this video, we talk about the upcoming changes for travellers, students, and workers on both sides of the channel.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
Nearly a decade after Brexit fractured relations, the United Kingdom and the European Union have struck a wide-ranging agreement aimed at resetting their relationship with major implications for travel, immigration, and cross-border movement. Unveiled at a summit in London, the deal marks a significant shift in UK-EU cooperation. It covers multiple areas, but for millions of travellers, students, and young workers, the most important changes relate to easier mobility, streamlined border processes, and new work and study opportunities. One of the most visible changes for travellers will be the reintroduction of fast-track e-gate access for UK passport holders at European airports. Since Brexit, British citizens have had to queue with other non-EU nationals, often facing long waits as their passports were manually checked and stamped. That's set to change. Under the new agreement, British travellers will once again be able to use e-gates in many EU airports, significantly reducing entry and exit times, especially during busy travel seasons. While a full list of participating airports has yet to be confirmed, locations such as Amsterdam Schiphol, Rome Fiumicino, Lisbon, and Paris Charles de Gaulle are expected to be among the first to implement the change. The deal also lays the groundwork for a new UK-EU youth mobility scheme, allowing individuals under 30 to live and work across borders more easily. While it won't be a return to full freedom of movement, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer emphasised that the new pathway would be practical and mutually beneficial. EU leaders echoed that sentiment, describing it as a way to reconnect the next generation across borders. In a widely welcomed move, British students are set to regain access to the Erasmus Plus programme, which enables study abroad opportunities across the EU. UK participation in the scheme ended with Brexit, cutting off a popular and enriching route for students. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen celebrated the development, saying it would help build friendships that last a lifetime and restore cultural and academic ties between the UK and the continent. Beyond travel and study, the agreement also paves the way for more coordinated migration policies. Although details remain limited, both sides are expected to simplify certain visa and work permit processes, a boon for professionals and employers navigating the complexities of post-Brexit rules. While the finer details are still to come, the direction of travel and migration is clear: the UK and EU are rebuilding bridges. Are you looking forward to these changes? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements. IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.